When spreading the awareness of Islam within society, it is vital one ensures that the correct knowledge is passed on. Otherwise, as warned by the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, in a narration found in Sunan Ibn Majah, number 206, a person may not only get punished for passing on incorrect knowledge, but that punishment will increase depending on how many people act on it. Unfortunately, this narration is very commonly overlooked, resulting in the spread of unreliable and incorrect knowledge. The lack of correct knowledge can open the door to unbelief. For example, some people label everything they do not understand as innovation or polytheism. They even happily label Muslims as apostates without realizing a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 216. It clearly warns that if one falsely accuses a Muslim of disbelief, the accuser loses their faith. Ignorance is one of the weapons of the devil, and one can only avoid this trap by gaining correct knowledge from a reliable scholar before spreading it. Chapter 39 Az-Zumar, verse 9.
Say, are those who know equal to those who do not know?
Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.